In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file on your laptop. One of the easiest and most reliable ways to create a PDF on a laptop is by using Microsoft Word. This method is great because it lets you write, edit, and format your document first, and then save it as a PDF when everything looks the way you want. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your laptop and create your document. You can start with a blank page or open an existing file if you already have your content prepared. As you work, make sure your text, spacing, headings, images, and overall layout look correct, because a PDF usually keeps the same appearance when it's opened on another device. That's one of the main benefits of using PDF format. It helps preserve your formatting so the document looks professional and consistent. Once you've finished creating or editing your document, the next step is to save it as a PDF. Go to the File menu in Microsoft Word. From there, choose Save As, or in some versions of Word, you may see Export. Either option can help you create a PDF version of your file. After that, choose the location where you want to save the PDF on your laptop. For example, you might save it to your desktop, your Documents folder, or another folder that's easy for you to find later. It's a good idea to give the file a clear name so you can recognize it quickly, especially if you'll be sharing it or storing it with other documents. Now look for the File Type drop-down menu, which is sometimes called Save as Type. Click that menu and select PDF. This tells Microsoft Word to convert your document into PDF format instead of saving it as a standard Word file. Once PDF is selected, complete the process by saving the file. After it finishes saving, you can open the new PDF to check that everything looks right. This quick review is helpful to make sure the text is readable, the pages are in order, and any images or formatting appear the way you expected. And that's it. Using Microsoft Word is one of the best ways to make a PDF on your laptop because it's simple, fast, and keeps your document looking clean and organized. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to create a PDF in just a few minutes.